Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our comprehensive comparison on AutoDS versus dropship.io. In this video, we're going to explore the pros, cons, features, and the pricing differences of both AutoDS and dropship.io, providing you with the insights and information needed to make an informed decision about which platform best aligns with your unique dropshipping goals and requirements. And before we get into the comparison itself, if you don't have an account with Shopify yet, then feel free to grab the link in our description box down below. Upon creating an account using it, you will get a 3-day free trial. And then after that, you can continue with any one of Shopify's plans for only $1 on your first month. It is an amazing opportunity for you to kickstart your e-commerce journey with little to no cost. So let's start by examining the advantages and drawbacks of AutoDS. One of the main pros of AutoDS is its automation capabilities. It automates order fulfillment, product imports, tracking updates, and returns, saving you a lot of time and effort. Additionally, AutoDS offers multi-platform support, working with various platforms like eBay, Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, and more, providing flexibility for sellers. However, it's worth noting that mastering AutoDS's features may take some time for beginners, as there is a learning curve involved. To fully leverage its functionalities effectively, you will need to invest some time and effort into familiarizing yourself with the platform. But the long-term benefits of automating your dropshipping processes far outweigh the initial learning phase. Now let's take a closer look at the key features and pricing structure of AutoDS. While product sourcing is not its primary focus, AutoDS still provides access to a vast marketplace featuring over 8 million products from both private and retail suppliers. This extensive catalog opens up a world of opportunities for product discovery and sourcing, ensuring that you always have a wide selection of items to choose from. One of the standout features of AutoDS is its automated order processing. With this powerful functionality, you can sit back and relax while AutoDS takes care of the entire order lifecycle. It automatically forwards orders to suppliers, keeps track of tracking updates, and even handles returns on your behalf. This level of automation not only saves you time, but also ensures efficient operations and enhanced customer satisfaction. And when it comes to pricing, it has a different pricing plan for each platform. So for example, for Shopify, the first plan starts at $26.90 per month if you're looking to import around 200 items. However, you can choose to pay annually for these plans, save 25% off, and the price would go down to $19.90 per month, saving you around $84. However, they also provide various pricing tiers and options tailored to different seller requirements and preferences. And this flexibility ensures that regardless of the size or scale of your dropshipping business, you can find a plan that fits your budget and needs perfectly. While AutoDS shines in automation and multi-platform compatibility, dropship.io takes a different approach, focusing primarily on product research and data-driven insights. Let's see how dropship.io empowers you with the tools and information that you need to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. One of the key strengths of dropship.io lies in its powerful product research capabilities. This platform specializes in providing dropshippers with the tools to conduct thorough product research. From spying on Shopify stores to analyzing Facebook ads, by leveraging these features, you can gain invaluable insights into potential winning products, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Another significant advantage of dropship.io is the wealth of data it provides. You will have access to a treasure trove of information, including sales metrics, revenue figures, product performance analytics, and engagement metrics. This data empowers you to make informed decisions when it comes to product selection and strategy development, minimizing risk and maximizing your chances of success. However, keep in your mind that dropship.io primarily focuses on product research and may lack the extensive automation features provided by platforms like AutoDS. If your primary goal is to streamline and automate your order fulfillment process, dropship.io may not be the all-in-one solution that you're looking for. And now to talk about the specific features and pricing of dropship.io. One of the standout features of this platform is its vast repository of Shopify products and Facebook ads. You will have access to an extensive collection of products and ad data, allowing you to analyze ad performance, identify emerging trends, and uncover lucrative product opportunities that you may have otherwise missed. Dropship.io also provides powerful competitor analysis tools, as you can conduct thorough research on your competitors, track potential products, and even receive weekly product suggestions. And these suggestions come complete with detailed profit estimations, competition insights, and strategic recommendations, giving you a comprehensive overview of the market landscape and helping you make informed decisions. In terms of pricing, you can start with the basic plan for around $30 per month, and you can save up to 40% with the yearly billing, so it goes down to $19 per month. And this makes it an accessible option for dropshippers of all levels, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level. Now, as a personalized recommendation based on your unique business needs and aspirations, if your primary focus is on discovering high potential products and staying ahead of the market, then Dropship.io is the way to go in my opinion. You've got a robust suite of tools for spying on Shopify stores, dissecting Facebook ads, and uncovering market trends that make it an indispensable asset in identifying winning products for your dropshipping venture. On the other hand, if your top priority is automating your dropshipping processes and streamlining your operations, then AutoDS is the clear choice here. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know your own thoughts and opinions by leaving them in the comment section down below, or whether you have any other questions. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.